Hi everyone, welcome to my monthly planner update. Plan with me. This sort of coincides with the crafty goals with Amalia, but I had not updated my personal planner. So the first thing I do is make sure I have everything in my collab live planner thing, and I do. And I check it with this, make sure they match, and then, and those are all the collabs and lives are little stars on here. So, and I did a little summary. If this goes according to plan, I will have 4 live streams on my Tuesdays, plus 26 videos in the month of February. That will be a total of 28 videos and live streams, which is an average of more than 1 a day. No, I'm sorry, almost 1 a day. No, wait, that's 30. Ugh, I can't even add. 4 plus 26 is 30. Yeah, so it averages more than 1 per day because there's only 29 days in February. So that's a lot, guys. And in my crafty goals with Amalia, I said I'm really going to try and cram stuff in up here. Well, I pretty much crammed it in everywhere, but I'm gung-ho starting today with getting things done. And so this is one of them. February planner update and video, which is what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to be making jewelry and attempting to get 2 more videos done today. I may only get to one of them, but if the other one doesn't get done today, it will get done Monday. So, but I did do a little decoration. I used 4 sheets more out of this 1050 piece, and you'll see them as we go. I found that 4 sheets plus a couple little bits that were left from a while back. So I did use some washi. And this is a sticker. These are all stickers. Some of these are out of the quotes book. Some are out of the mom book. The 3 books I'm trying to use, you know, are this 1051, which is going to be the first one to be finished, I think. The mom book, which has a lot of little stickers, and there's some things in here that I don't know that I'll be able to ever use up, like the movie night. We talked about that before. And then the quotes book, and there's some things in here too that, you know, I may call it finished once I get to the point where there's no more quotes or stickers in there that would be suitable for me. There's not that many of those, but there's some. So that's the month, and I wrote in pen all the videos and lives, and I wrote in pencil when I want to make things and do the videos, because I do video right away and schedule it or whatever. So, and then I'm not going to go over everything I wrote, but this is this week starting tomorrow. You know, Tuesday looks kind of bare. I probably could use another sticker in there. Maybe I'll see if I can find a quote. But this was actually using up a partial sheet for the most part. Yeah, so I have my mom visit on every Thursday, and there's one day in here later in the month where I have to babysit. This one I used more of a Valentine theme. I did end up using up this thin red washi, and so yay me, I have 1 thing in my empties bin so far. And these are all from 1 sheet. This is more Valentine washi off this roll. It's not used up yet. But all these other stickers were off 1 sheet, and I'm finding that each sheet in the 1050 book, they come like, you know, like this. This one's partially used too. Anyway, they pretty much work with 1 week in this horizontal planner, and that makes me happy. I choose to be happy. So actually, I think that sticker was, no, I can't remember. One of these had stickers that weren't from the same. I think that was one that wasn't on the same page, and I used it anyway. Here we went black and gold. This was washi that was gifted to me, but I didn't get it finished. Maybe I could put some more down here and finish it. Anyway, I did put a coffee cup on from, I think, the mom sticker because that's going to be a long day. This is the babysit day. So I have a mom visit, and then right after that I'll head to my daughter's, and then I'm babysitting from like 3 p.m. till probably midnight or so, maybe later when my daughter and son-in-law get back. They're going to a concert. So yay them. And yeah, kind of a adult date night there. And then I switched back to a red and blue sheet, but I brought in this bird washi, which is in my bucket of Use It Up. I have a little tub of washi I pulled out that I want to use up. I ended up not using either of these, and I did use on that one just before this gold washi, or whatever this tape, deco tape or something it's called. So these are still in here, and the only one I finished was the little red one, but I did use, like I said, some of this black. I don't think that will finish it, so I'm not going to use it there. Anyway, so I've wrote in everything here, and that's it. It's a 4-day week, and the weekly is different than the monthly, and I don't like that. And so was the Happy Planner, where the weekly has Saturday and Sunday. Instead of having Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like the month does. I guess I could do my own monthly that way. I wasn't thinking of it. Oh no, because they have the days of the week written in. So they ended on Saturday, and here ends it on Sunday, and that kind of messes me up, but it's okay. It's all good. So, yep, everything I have to do is written in on the pages. Of course, and I wrote my to-dos in pencil, but again, my videos and lives in ink, because there's no flexibility there. They have to go up. So that's it. I hope you know this is one of the washies too. Yeah, so I'm all set for the month of February. I'm kind of liking doing this, like just take a couple hours and, you know, like I said, I do this first and then I do the monthly. Excuse me, I did put some quotes on here, but room for writing as well for goals or birthdays, or I think I'm going to put the monthly birthdays that I know of on there. I don't know. I'm not sure about that because I have birthdays from different things. I have birthdays from my crafty friends, people that have been in my collabs, and I've not been good about doing those at all. Then I have birthdays now that I'm supposed to be doing and have to do for my upline team that I'm part of, uplines, and yeah, anyway, and then I just have personal ones, you know, which my daughter's was the second is the second today. So, but we celebrated last night. Anyway, that's what I'm up to. That's all I'm going to keep you with for. I wanted to keep it short. Not going to do plan along with me. It would just take too long. And it's taken me way too long to upload videos now. So, yeah, I'm pretty pleased with everything, how it turned out. And I am really loving this horizontal layout. It gives me lots of room to write, or I can break it into 2 pieces, which is what I've done on some, like mom visit here, and then videos and makes over here. Or if I have a lot of to-dos on a day, like Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays tend to be big to-do days, like making days, but then I can put the videos that have to be up over on the right, that kind of thing. So I'm really enjoying this. Yeah, so video on the right, makes over here, video, live, and doing. You know, this one doesn't really have a video. This one doesn't have a video either, or I have a couple days where I don't have any videos, and then boom, boom, we start with them again. So, alrighty, well, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for watching, and do come back again later or tomorrow, and you'll see some jewelry made with bead park items that they were kind enough to gift to me, and I've been delinquent in getting videos done on them, so that is coming up. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.